Finding the equation of a line and perpendicular distance. Today, we're solving a coordinate geometry problem step by step using visuals and equations. We'll find the equation of a line given a point and a slope, and then calculate the perpendicular distance from another point to this line. To find the equation of the line, we use the point-slope form of a line equation. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, substituting our values. Expanding, y minus 3 equals negative 1/2 x plus 1. Rearranging into slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Now, let's convert it to standard form x plus by plus c equals 0, x plus to y minus 8 equals 0. To calculate the shortest distance from point 57 to the line x plus to y 8 equals 0, we use the point-to-line distance formula. Identifying values, a equals 1, b equals 2, c equals negative 8. x1, y1 equals 57. Substituting into the formula, d equals the absolute value of 1 times 5 plus 2 times 7 minus 8, divided by the square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared. d equals the absolute value of 5 plus 14 minus 8, divided by the square root of 1 plus 4. d equals the absolute value of 11, divided by the square root of 5. And that's our final answer. The perpendicular distance from 7 to the line is 11 over the square root of 5.